Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to install iOS 18 on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone that supports the latest iOS 18, starting from iPhone XX, XR, and XX Max up to iPhone 16 Pro Max, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily install or update your iPhone to latest iOS 18. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Then select Software Update. Then once you click on Software Update, you're going to see the iOS 18 update available for you. Then once you have this interface, what you need to do next is go ahead and click on Update Now. Once you selected Update Now, hang on. Thereafter, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Then go ahead and click on Agree at the bottom right. Once you selected Agree, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. So type in your iPhone passcode to authorize the download and installation of the new iOS 18 on your iPhone. Then after, you should see your iPhone requesting for the update. This might take a couple of minutes, even hours. So the file is about 6 point something gigabytes. And once you download and install the file, your iPhone will install the iOS 18. And once the process is completed, it will restart automatically. So if you now go back to the settings again, click on Software Update, then you discover that you are now running on the latest iOS 18. To know you are running on the latest iOS 18, you can start from the Control Center. So this, and then check the Photos app. There are a lot of customization that has taken place in the Photos app on your iPhone on iOS 18. So something like this. So that is basically how to install iOS 18 on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.